everybody, and we're back with Mason's Court, and today I am going to be doing some tricks and with this basketball and that basketball goal, and we're going to go and just go ahead and get started. Alright, get started right here. Oh, missed it. Go up. There it is. Alright, we're gonna try again right here. Ah, so close. That was. So we're gonna do the back shot. Oh, that's so off. Gonna do the upper right shot right there. Upper right shot right there. Oh, nope. And that was off too. Alright, we're gonna try to use on the out space. Right there. And now, so today I hired a cameraman. Just kidding, that's my dad. And as you can see, he's holding the camera towards the basket, and he does it occasionally. Aha! So close. Oh, we're gonna go for the finish off. Alright guys. Yeah, today, that was just a little practice. So now we're gonna do a game to 10 points, and it's called Rockets at Spurs. Alright. And is it okay if my dad be the narrator?
Okay. Okay, we've got 3 minutes left in this game. It's a 3-minute game. Here we go. And Mason goes up for the basket. And, oh, it is just out of the rim. But he goes back up for the follow-up. But he could take it back out. And he's bouncing the ball. Takes it back up. This one is going to go completely short.
When you act like that.
All right, here he goes. And, oh, it's a beautiful shot. Right down in there. And now he's just flinging it wildly.
Rockets 3, Spurs 0. For the 3, Spurs 3.
Oh, he's playing both sides.
Rockets 5, Spurs 3. Spurs for the 3. Makes it. Spurs ahead 1. Alright.
We have a minute and a half left of this game.
Miss it. Goes up. Makes it. Rockets 8. Spurs 6. Spurs go for the 3. It's good. With 1 second left. It's good.
Woo.
The Rockets win.
Very nice.
All right, and now we are going to do one more shot for the day because
It's starting to rain.
it's starting to rain. All right, ready?
Uh-huh.
Right here.
Here he goes. Oh my goodness, that was pretty.
And then this shot, I'm going to do a trick. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to fling it like that.
Okay.
Ah, so close. I didn't make it, but that was so close. Let's try one more time. If I miss it, I'll have to go. But if I make it, it's going to be a crazy day. I made it!
Very good.
Alright, see you later guys, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So, see you later. Bye.